Today I'm making a smoked duck and peach salad. It's refreshing, delicious, fruity, and it packs a punch with an Asian hoisin dressing. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to assemble the salad. Here I'm using rocket in a salad bowl, and I'm mixing the rocket with a bit of baby spinach. To this, we'll be adding in some cucumber, 1 red onion. Now, I have here peach. Smoked duck always goes well with a sweet fruit. You can use peaches, you can use oranges, you get that nice sweet sour thing going on. Today I'm using peach. Wedge the peach. Use your hands, sort of just toss everything together. Beautiful. Set this aside. Now we're going to make the dressing. About 1.5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of neutral oil, ginger, juice of half a lemon, some toasted sesame seeds. Mix everything together. You get this sweet, tangy, savory, gingery dressing that will go perfectly with the duck. Now, for the smoked duck, you can buy this, the grocer ready, comes in a pack. I've used this several times in my channel, especially to replace things like bacon. And today we're going to sear this to get the skin sort of nice and crisp and aromatic, also to give the duck some temperature. Once your pan is nice and hot, add the duck in. Done. Really nice, sort of thin layer of crisp on that skin. Yeah, if you overcook it, you lose all that juiciness, all that moist in the smoked duck. Take some of this salad, put it on a plate. Almonds. Smoked duck on, dress. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the smoked duck and peach salad. Now for a quick taste test. It's a huge mouthful, but that's the way you gotta eat it, you know, with the smoked duck, with the peach, with the salad. The sweetness of the peach really balances out the smoked duck really, really well. I mean, smoked duck is very, very savory. Having it on its own can be a little bit much, but once you pair it together with the peach, with the arugula, with that nice sort of sweet, tangy hoisin sauce, it comes together so, so well. You can serve on a dinner table and you'd be almost rest assured that your guests will be impressed when they have everything together. Adding in nuts in any salad is something that I always do because it sort of gives it a nice texture to the salad. Not everything is just green and crunchy. To create a variety of texture in a salad. I know some salads can be just one-dimensional. Everything's just, you know, veggies and all that. Now, if you're someone who don't take duck, you can replace the duck with roast beef. Left overnight in the fridge, slice it up, plate it on top of the salad like this, and it's a meal by itself already. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this content, please do click the like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week, guys. Ciao.